Good morning, everybody. Well, if you've been following my videos, you can see it's a wrap. We almost up to 3 feet here. I know this is probably about 2 feet, close to 2 feet, I think. These are the top of the cars, and if you can see, it's snowing very hard still. It's just 7:30 in the morning, and the snow is coming up my door. The door's open, so you really can't tell, but keep looking at the poles, and you see the trees. A lot of little bushes are covered, and it's just really bad. Look at the car. It's really, really, really bad. Yeah, we're here, Clarksburg. This is Clarksburg, Maryland. We're in Montgomery County in Maryland, and we're getting hit the hardest, they said. But alhamdulillah, what they don't understand is we blessed. Allah blessed us to see another morning. So we gonna make it through this. And they say that we can't make it through this, but Allah says what we gonna do, and I think we gonna make it through it. All right, good morning.